So, good afternoon to you, all my listeners and viewers. It's another day. Today is Midweek Lotto. I've been looking to find something important for us all, and this is my outcome. Now, I realize that on events 10, 88, there's 29, 26, 42 parking, the three numbers, addition of 97 with 1768 in machine. The same thing is happening currently. 45, 29, 23, addition of 97 parking with 1768 in machine. So from after that, first one 10, 87, addition 97. So today I'm expecting two numbers addition 97 to play. So that is what I've been working on throughout the week. So looking through the paper, I went to event 998. I saw 60. So counting is to event 10, 26, 85 dropped. From there, counting is to event 1058, 83 dropped with 87 machine. Follow week 75 dropped. After the 75, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 73 dropped. From there, counting is to event 1088 before the parking happened with 1758. So this 1758 is the 85 that splitted into 1768. The 85 over here splitted into 70 to give you the 85. I'm emphasizing the 1768 because the following week, depending on whatever happens today, the following week 1768 is going to drop next week, midweek. So that is why I want to work around the brand and see what happens today before next week. So it is this 73 is the 75 that went minus of 2 to give you this number. So let me go over let me go to the second one. So the second one on event 1025, there's 60. So counting with to event 1053, the 85 came again. After the 85, counting with to event 1086, there's double 5. No, before the double 5, there's 83. Then 67 went to machine. So after the 67 went to machine. So let's take it like this. It is this 87 minus 2. Minus 12, that give you 75. So the 75 to minus 2 gave you this 73. So the 83 machine here, event 1085, you see 67 in machine. Follow week, minus of 12 will give you double 5. Then counting double 5 minus 2 will give you this 53. So basically, the 60, after the 53 over here, counting with exactly to event 11115 before you see the parking 45, 29, 23, addition of 97. Then you see this 85 will split into 1768 and drop in machine. So for the 60 came, and this 73 also came. So as for this 60 and then this 53, as for them, they are constant. They will come. They are coming. So what we need to do right now is to look for the addition 97 figures 10, the 1087. So this time around, what are the two numbers that will give you addition 97? So what I did was that when I went to the event where 10 where 83 dropped with 87 machine, followed by 75. What is the 75 doing about it? This 85 on event 1026. If you subtract the 75 from the 85, you get 10. So when you add the 10 to this 87, then you get that 97. Let me go over that again. This 75, subtracted from the 85 on event 1026. Then that 10, you go and add it to the 87 that is in machine with the 83 winning. If you add a 10 to it, you get that 97. Now, it is this 87 from 123 that will give you 36 in machine. When that happens, take the 10, it is 87 at addition 97 figures. So let's look at the current one. Now, on event 1085, 83 drop with 67 machine followed by double 5. So if you want to look for the addition 97 figures, subtract this double 5 from this 85. This 85, you get 30. So when you add the 30 to the 67, you get 97. So it is this 67 from 123 that gives 56 in machine. Therefore, 30 and 67 are your two sure addition 97 figures. I'll go over the plan again once again, then you understand it. The whole concept is about difference 20, 20, 20, 20. It's only the 60 that is constant. But the 10 represents 30, 87 represents 67, 73 represents 53. Only the 60 is constant. So I was saying that event 998, 60 drop, continues to event 1026, you saw 85. Continues to event 1058, 83 drop, 87 machine. Following the 87 went minus 2 to give minus 12 to give you 75. Continues to event 1070, the 75 went minus of 2 to give you 73. So continues to event 1088, the 29, 26, 42 pack addition 97. Then this 85 was split into 1768 to give you an addition 85. So you can take it that this 73 from 109 gave you this 36. So in machine with the 1768, so the 73 came as banker. The 60 also came as banker. So for that is established. Now, so where is the 10, 10 and 87? How do you get those two numbers? They are addition 97 because 29, 26 and 42 addition 97 pack. And 10, 87 on the line also giving 97. So we want to look for those addition 97 figures. And I'm saying that pick your 85. This is your 85. So when you pick the 85, count to where the event 10 is the 88 drop, 87 machine, followed by 75. So subtract the 75 from it, you get 10. So it is that when you add a 10, if you add a 10 to the 87, this 87 on event 1058, you get what? Your 97 solid. So basically, it is that 87 from 123 that will drop in machine 56. At the same way, the 10 plus 26 drop 36 in machine. Therefore, the 10 and the 87 become your additional 97 figures to show. They become your additional 97 figures to show. So the second formation on event 1025, you saw the 60 again. The 60 is constant. Constant figure 60. So continues to event 1053. 85 came again. So continues to event 1085, 83 again drop with 67 in machine. So where you saw 87, it is 67. That is why I said difference 2020. Following that place 75. Following here is 55. So 87 went minus 12. This one 67 went minus of 12 to give you double 5. Double 5. Now counting is to events 10 and the 7. This double 5 went minus of 2, like the way the 75 went minus 2 to give you 73. This one double 5 went minus 2 to give you this thing 53. And I said that from that place, counting is to event 11115, it will pack 45, 29, 23. So addition of 97. The first one is 29, 26, 42. Addition 97, 97. Then that's your 85 was split into 1768 in machine. And I'm talking about that the split, the 85 split because the following week on event 10 and the 2, the 1785, 68 came to drop. So depending on what happens today, next week we'll take 1768. Now, so because of the parking, 3 numbers parking addition 97, you want to look for the 1087, which is 97. So currently, what two numbers should give you that addition 97? And I've been looking through the paper to see what I can get. So these are my findings. So I see that the double 5 on event 10, 86. So you write your 85 down. Minus of double 5, you get 30. Now, if you get that 30, you add the 30 to the 67. This 67 on event 1085, and you get your 97. Therefore, it is that 67 from addition of 123 that is giving you 50-60 machine in addition to the 1768. You see, so basically the 60 came over here, so the 60 must come over here. 73 came over here, so here the 53, this 53 will come. So 60 and 53. So now the 67 must come. If you go and subtract the 55 from the 87 and you get 30, and add the 30 to the 67 and you get 97. So 3067 is your 2 direct. 3067 is your 2 direct. So all the time. So just subtract the 55 from the 85, you get 30. So add the 30 to the 67 and you get 97. 67 from 123 give you 56 machine with 17 seats. At the same time, it is a 30 plus 26 that give you 56 machine. Therefore, we are staking 30, 67 as our 2 shots addition 97 figures in addition to the 60 and then 53. So basically today what I have is my banker is 67, 2 shot is 67, 30. My best 3 is 67. Then my best 4 numbers. Yeah. So basically that's what I have for midweek special. I have some national that is a very complex plan. So I've been looking at how I can classically take you through that you can understand. It's a very complex plan. So, but the plan is supposed to play 2 shots continuously 3 weeks. It's supposed to play 2 shots continuously 3 weeks. Different 2 shots. It will play 1, 2, 3 weeks. It's a timing plan. And the way it's doing the thing this week, what I've seen about the plan this week, I think it will work. It will start working this week. So I want to take you through. So Friday morning or afternoon, Friday morning or afternoon or in the evening, I'll put the plan on the platform early so that you people can go through yourselves. It's a very wonderful plan. You people can go through yourself. So let's hope that the best happens today, and then we hope that God gives us another opportunity on Friday so that we work on the plan. Thanks for having another wonderful time with you and study the plan very well. Remember, I say 30, 67, and then add 53 to it, and then add 60 to it as 4 numbers. Thank you for another opportunity. Thank you very much. Thank you.